So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will guide you with how you can enable Apple Intelligence outside US. Currently, Apple Intelligence is only available for the US region. But there is a workaround by which you can use Apple Intelligence outside US. Let me show you how. So first of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, tap on Language. Here select English United States. After this, go back. Now tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Language and Region. After this, tap on Region. Here scroll down and select United States. Tap on Change to English US. Now this will set the region. After this, restart your iPhone. After this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After this, enable this toggle. And this will turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So this is how you can use Apple Intelligence outside US. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.